Alright, so what's up, y'all? Back with another one. As you can see, Cutlass back on the ground, wheels on. Did a little bit of cleanup of the wires. It's better than what it was. Nothing's in the way, nothing's close to the headers. Everything's wrapped up, so I'm good with it. Like I said, amplifier is in. Got a couple screws in there to hold that down. So that should be fine. I went over with my brothers today, and every time I go over there, I get the nerve or the urge to get something else, and I don't need it. You know what I'm saying? I already had a plan. I already got the amp. I got a Memphis. So I got this until I blow it. I don't think it'll blow. I just think it's not gonna ever push these subwoofers to their full potential, to be honest with you, because, yeah. It's not really loud. In the car, it's louder, and I mean, that's fine. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm trying to wrap it up, not buy more shit. Honestly, the highs don't really need an amp in here, man. They actually kind of loud and clear. So, I'll probably leave that alone for now. Probably end up taking that amp back. I don't know, I'm on the fence. I am truly on the fence. Because if that's the case, I probably don't need them by 9s either. I can take all that shit back. Like almost $200 worth of shit. So yeah, if I'm not gonna go any further with that, and we're gonna be good, then that about wrap that up. I ordered a fuse box so I can kind of start cleaning up the wiring and grommets inside the car. I haven't received them yet. It's supposed to be here today. Then Amazon started talking about, oh, sorry, you're supposed to have it. It was delayed. Now you'll have it by this day. If not, you get a refund. No, I want my motherfucking parts. I want what I ordered. So we'll see what happens with that. So got that on the tender. While I was in here, started wiping this down with them 000 faux pads or whatever, so it can kind of shine up some. We had kind of put a whole lot of hands on it, so it wasn't shining like it is now. So get that. Eventually I need to reroute that hose there. I want to go under, but I ain't trying to change the water pump and all that shit, man. Cause if I do the other water pump, it'll come straight out, and then I could go that way with it. But like I said, I'm honestly not trying to do all that. So we're gonna see if we can't get so how that comes off of the angle. I might try to get something that's it goes to like a 90, and then it shoots it right up under there, and then over to the radiator. But it hasn't caused no overheating issues. I just think it'll look cleaner. And now that the car is to the point where it's running good, then, kind of tidy it up a little bit. Yeah, oh yeah, so we took the top off, kind of just sanded everything down. Good, nice and solid. The only spot that was bad was on the opposite side. It was a little hole with some rust. We did a live showing that, but we got put our spray foam on there, and then I mean, it done hardened up now. So now the only thing we gotta do get a knife, cut it off, and then fiberglass over it. Put a little bit of, what you call that shit? Put some body filler right there, and then it'll be ready for the top to go back on. So it'll be nice and smooth like that versus that dip that's right there. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for the cut for now. Last but not least, let me see what we got over here on the board. So we did torque converter, positive gears. Well, no, so positive gears, axle, spindle upgrade is underway. Well, no, spindle upgrade has been done. Axles, positive gears is the last thing, and the quarter top, and then that'll close the chapter on Bad Air Yellow Boy. So, yeah, man. That's the update on that. And then we'll get this one pulled out. Get our other one pulled in here. Stay tuned and see which one we're gonna pull in next.